Yela, yay! Judy, she make a slice because Celine and Ellen, they don't want to do it, so I let them, Judy, to do. Yela, Judy. Very good, Judy. Yela, you didn't say happy birthday, Judy. Aray ko. We just watched that to Judy to say happy birthday, Judy, pretending happy birthday, Judy, because we have cake. Always they have their cake, they are thinking that happy birthday.
To me.
Aray ko. That's what only we do here. Oh, hi, hello, how are you? Oh, make a TikTok. Ikaw, Judy, how to make TikTok? I'm making TikTok. My teeth is very, very wrong.
I don't have the account for TikTok. I don't have.
No, you are not. Me also, I'm not.
Oh.
Look, I make it smile, but make my teeth, it's not very good.
That's why you not eat.
I ate, the last time. Yeah, because later that one I ate. Later, tomorrow for my breakfast or before I sleep, I ate.
It's very cold.
Yeah. It's not sweet.
It's cold.
Nice, good.
Cold.
That's why Yela. Eat Yela Sophia. Where is your car na? Where you want? Where you want?
Here is the video.
Just 1 minute, not yet finished.
Hey, you want long video?
Long video. Let them Sophia to use the. Yela, sit down, Sophia, at the back of what's that? Look, that's what hair only. If me and children only, look what we have. We have only one light. Ay, look together.
Yeah,
sit down, yeah. Sophia, sit down at the back, Yela. Which one? That one? Why? It's nice, man. What's the taste by that one? Vanilla yan eh.
No, just like.
Not vanilla?
Yeah.
Why? It's vanilla.
Cashew. I do like.
Cashew. You don't like it? Okay. Oh, next time I don't buy the white one.
Even the kids, these kids, they don't want white. Only chocolate and mango.
Oh, mango and strawberry also.
Even
Yeah, they
strawberry.
don't like. They like also the strawberry.
And last time we were going to the party there with Madame.
Oh. Which one? Which place?
Friend for Madame, there is cake there for his birthday.
They're in Haunted Camp? Haunted Camp?
No, for home's place, not for outside the restaurant, no.
Eh. Nice. It's very, very good if you have a residence and you have a playground in your house and you can make decoration only. It's best.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah. That's what. Asan na ba yung children? Check ko muna yung Just a minute, Judy. Okay. They are playing only. Celine is still sleepy, sir. Okay, yela. Slowly lang ikaw. Slowly. Sleep mo. Yeah. Okay. Yan. Yan na. Don't make on the light. Just one only. Enough na yun. Enough na. No, because nandyan si Sophia nag-play.
Coffee?
Yela, on the light. On the one.
She don't know.
Here. On this one. On this one. Okay. Yela. Okay, Sophia. Or on this one also. Hoy, Sisi, please. This one. The another light. Be careful. Kindly, please. Thank you. One only. Okay, enough. Yela. Thank you very much. Okay. Yela. Yela, okay. Natulog. Na-sleep. Mag 5 o'clock na yata. What time is it, Judy? 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock na, Judy?
No, remaining only 1 minute.
Okay. Yela, Goli, sit down. Yela. Goli, bye-bye. Thank you to subscribe.
We love you.
Shout out nationwide, worldwide, and thank you to all subscriber of mine. Thank you very much. And thank you for you are watching. I wish that you will be also subscribed to me to support my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. And bye-bye. God bless us all.
You aggressive.
Oh, look, this one is cake. It's very, very
You're
nice.
going to send to me that video, eh?
Yela, okay, just a minute. Yela, bye.